is a lot of hearsay related to cancer.
Right.
A lot of some are myths, some are facts, and I will quickly, throw some of these statements at you, and I want you to quickly respond. Think of it as a rapid fire. Myths or facts? Underwire bras cause cancer.
It's a myth.
It's a myth.
Yeah, so I think it was thought that if you have that wire, the lymphatics will get blocked and, women may develop cancer, but it's not correct.
That's
it's
not
a
right.
myth, yeah.
Microwaving causes cancer.
So it depends on the rays. So microwave actually does not use ionizing radiation, so it doesn't cause cancer because only the ultraviolet rays and X-rays, they are the ones which are responsible for causing cancer. So microwave is safe provided your cookware is supposed to be, whatever is supposed to be used is microwavable. Yeah.
Right. Reheating stale food or reusing frying oil, puri, talte, then using sabji also, is that safe?
I mean, I think it's old saying that उसी वक्त बना के उसी वक्त खाना चाहिए. So anything if you are reheating or frying etc. should be avoided if possible.
But you don't link it directly to, it's not a.
So there is some evidence that if you reheat, some chemicals can get produced and they may be linked, but there's no 100% proof there.
Right.
But better to use fresh cooked food.
Right. And last one that I have is black sodas cause cancer, as opposed to
So, there are so many myths. You have telephone, the cell phones which came in. So, people develop brain tumors and maybe parotid gland tumors, but they have not been proven. Similarly, sodas, there is no clear-cut proof that they do cause cancer. So, I think these are all myths.
Thank you.
But can I add, a couple of things which were just said. So, cervical cancer is a cancer which is caused by herpes papilloma virus, which gets incorporated as a result of infection. So the incidence of cervical cancer in the last 10 years has gone down in our country because the hygiene has improved. Earlier it was 1.5 to 2 lakhs cases per year. Now it has come down to 60,000-70,000 cases per year. So it is an acquired, which is what Dr. Dinesh Bhandharkar said, it is in our control to keep the hygiene important. So if you have that hygiene, cervical cancer is going to go away. The second point I wanted to make was Ganges, where it flows. For example, I was in Bihar recently, Patna. Gallbladder cancer is #1 cancer in women there, just because of the chemicals, etc., which are contained in Ganges. In Srinagar, in those cold areas where they eat hot food, they drink gulpit. So, food pipe cancer, stomach cancers are very common. So there are geographical variations in cancer causation.
Yeah.